right, so let's talk a little bit about how we can do some arithmetic with matrices. So let's start off with something pretty simple, scalar multiplication, okay? So let's say, for instance, I wanted to do 5a. So 5 times matrix A. So in other words, 5 times this matrix that has 3 and 4 in it. It works pretty much exactly the way that you would expect. So when I multiply here, I get 15 and 20. All right, let's just do one more quick example. So let's say I had matrix E and I did negative 2E. So negative 2E is, again, negative 2 times this matrix, which would give me negative 2, negative 10, and negative 18. All right, so that's scalar multiplication. In other words, not multiplying a matrix by a matrix, but just multiplying a matrix by some value. That's scalar multiplication. Now, let's see if we can add matrices together. So let's see if we can do A plus B. Well, that's 3, 4, 5, 6, and we're going to try to add these together. It turns out this is defined as long as they're the same dimensions. So the sum is going to be the same dimensions as these two guys, and we're just going to add the values in the corresponding places. So 3 plus 5 is 8, 4 plus 6 is 10, and that's the sum of two matrices. We could also do C plus D. But what about A plus E? Well, that doesn't make any sense, at least not with the way that we've defined it, because there's not something at every place where we could add those together. So again, we could do A plus B, we could do C plus D. Let's actually do this, 2C minus 3D. All right, so 2C would be 4, 10, 8, negative 6, minus, let's see, what is this? 3, 21, 24, 27. Well, addition or subtraction works the same way as addition does. We're just going to subtract these guys. So this will be 1, negative 11, negative 16, negative 33. So that's how you add and subtract, and that's how you do scalar multiplication.